Jakarta menegaskan kebakaran hutan di negara itu bukan punca jerebu.
Indeks Pencemaran Udara Malaysia APIMS menyaksikan pangkat Johor terus mencatatkan peningkatan ITU sangat tidak sihat. Kualiti udara di Singapura telah mencapai tahap tidak sihat di seluruh pulau itu pagi ini. Kerajaan Indonesia mengakui bahawa jerebu dari kebakaran hutan di Borneo dalam wilayah Indonesia
Assalamualaikum, I am INTAN BALQIS binti NAZRI.
My name is MUHAIMIN.
My name is SITI JOHARI.
My name is NOOR SAIDI.
So we are going to talk about Haze.
I would like to tell you what is Haze. Haze is suspension in the atmosphere of dry particles of dust, salt, aerosol or photochemical smoke. They are so small. The diameter of haze is about 0.1 micron, which cannot be felt or seen individually with the naked eye. Haze appears as a bluish or yellowish film depending on whether the background is dark or light. The issue of the case study is the environmental effect of the haze. First, the impact on marine ecosystem. This effect has been almost wholly ignored. The haze from the land-based fire that has largely been originating from Indonesia as of late could decrease sunlight to this precious marine ecosystem, perhaps undercutting photosynthesis in coral reef as well as mangrove and seagrass. Next, haze pollution has harmful effect on biodiversity. In general, these gases polluted enter the plant with air through the stomata in the course of respiration and once in the leaf of the plant. The goal of the analysis is to share with people how harmful haze can be, to create an awareness for a better future, and to create a safer environment for life.
Haze is largely caused by illegal agricultural fire due to industrial scale slash and burn practice in Indonesia, especially from the province of South Sumatra and Riau in Indonesia, Sumatra Island, and Kalimantan on Indonesia, Borneo. Open burning is the cause of haze in Indonesia. What is open burning? Open burning is characterized by burning at low temperature between 250 degrees Celsius and 700 degrees Celsius, and in oxygen this provides environment leading to incomplete combustion of waste. What is the effect of burning? Burning trash can cause long-term health problems. The toxic chemical released during burning include nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, volatile organic chemical, and polycyclic organic metal. Burning plastic and treated wood also release heavy metal and toxic chemicals such as dioxin. Forest fires are depleting source of oxygen gas. Indonesia mistake cause haze. The cause of the haze in Indonesia are open burning and forest burning. The haze is caused by open burning which is so severe that it cannot be controlled. This causes smoke to be low in very large quantities. This is because at the time Indonesia did not experience rainfall for several weeks.
Okay, now we're talking about key facts about Southeast Asia Haze 2019, which is duration, location, outcomes, and also death. The duration of haze at Thailand is about 4 months, which is from February to May 2018, and also 4 months to other countries. The location that involved in haze, which is Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, and also Brunei. And what happens during the haze is school closures in Malaysia and Indonesia, cancellation of all flight flights between Singapore and Malaysia, as well as in Indonesia.
The alternative to prevent the haze in Southeast Asia for the long term is by protecting our forests and also peatland.
And the solution that we can take to protect our forests is by change and strengthen our law, which is President of Indonesia has to firmly establish his green legacy before it goes up in smoke.
And legislation must be urgently passed to protect all forests and all peats, no matter how deep it is or whether it's in existing concessions or not. The second solution is companies must end their role in peat and forest destruction,
which is companies operating in risky areas like Sumatra need to recognize there is a problem and then choose to be part of the solution. They start with a commitment to no deforestation, which means immediately stopping the bulldozer.
So haze is actually not a new thing to us. We need to always get ready with this natural disaster. There are actually 7 ways to protect ourselves from the haze. First of all is we need to stay indoors. Clearly, one of the best way to battle the health effect of haze is to avoid going outdoors. Second is avoid doing outdoor activity such as playing football or cycling or running. Those activities will require deep breathing, and that would mean inhaling all the harmful pollutant in the air. Third is we need to wear a mask. If you must go outdoors, put on a respiratory mask. The best mask is N95 mask, which is designed to filter airborne particle and protect wearers from inhaling the haze particle. And fourth is hydrate frequently and increase fiber intake. Fifth is take medication to alleviate symptoms. And sixth is avoid smoking. And lastly is pay attention to the air quality updates.